Welcome back to the Schools Challenge Quiz Access Show. We surely missed you.
And I know you all have missed us and the Schools Challenge Quiz spirit.
Luckily, we were privileged enough to pick up from where we left off in the midst of these unprecedented times.
That's right, the biggest and baddest quiz competition had to be put on pause as a result of the spread of the novel coronavirus. For a little over 3 months, we were in quarantine, schools were out, and it was business unusual.
But starting this week, we resume competition with our quarterfinals round. The crew is back, guys, and we have our quizzers ready to go.
Our quiz masters, judges, and larger production team are back in the building, preparing to give you a great show.
And now all we need is for you, the viewers, to mark your calendars and check out all the live and rebroadcast action all the way to the finals.
Of course, we'll get into the schedule soon, but before we get into what's coming up, let's take a journey back to our last set of games.
We completed round 3 in mid-March and completed our list of teams heading into the quarterfinal.
These are the schools that secured a spot in the quarterfinals. Kingston College defeated Camperdown, Old Harbour sent home Wilmer's Boys School, then Arden won Immaculate, followed by Monroe's victory over St. Hugh's.
Then Titchfield got the better of Mannings while Calabar High triumphed over the Carteret College. St. Jago got the better of Cornwall College and Campion celebrated a win over Clarendon College.
So just in case you missed that, the top 8 are Kingston College, Old Harbour, Arden, Monroe, Titchfield, Calabar, St. Jago, and Campion College.
We know it's been a while since you saw some quick thinking skills, exciting buzzer action, and memorable victories. So we fixed a quick package for you of the road to quarterfinals highlights.
Take a look at this.
Sports, a visual one. Look at the monitor, identify this person. Casey?
No, Walter Boy.
Walter Boy.
Correct. Jamaican heritage. Complete the Jamaican proverb. Dirty water, Camperdown.
Cool and iron.
No, can out fire. French. What specific kind of natural disaster is Rahat de Marie? Tsunami. Literature. Ian Fleming is best known for writing which series of novels? KC.
James Bond.
Correct. Theatre and cinema, in which TV sitcom was Raven Simone made famous at the age of KC?
No. The Cosby Show.
The Cosby Show.
Correct. Bible knowledge. How old was Jacob's 11th son when he died? KC.
110 years old.
Correct. Biology. What is the 4-letter noun which means a membranous sac or cavity of abnormal character? KC.
Cyst.
Yes, in the body containing fluid, usually. Mathematics. Simplify 4, open bracket, x minus 3, close bracket, minus 3, open bracket, 2 plus 3x, close bracket. Minus 5x minus 18. Physics. What is the name for a linear interval of space? Distance. And sports. Look at the monitor. Identify this person. Michael Hyatt. Jamaican heritage. Give the current name of the site that was in the 19th century called Kingston Racecourse. Wilmer's Boys.
No. National Heroes Park.
No, Heroes Circle.
National Heroes Park.
Wrong answer came first. It's National Heroes Park. French. Translate to English the following sentence. Comment va tu père? Wilmer's Boys.
How is your father?
How is your father?
Correct. Literature. The volume of a piece of work was 9.5 centimeters cubed. A student recorded the mass to be 28.5 grams. Calculate the density of the rock in grams per centimeters cubed. Immaculate?
2.0.
That's incorrect. 3.0 grams per centimeter cubed. Sports. Look at the monitor. Identify this person. David Weller. Jamaican heritage. Which ethnic group in Jamaica celebrates the traditional festival of Hussein? Ardennes.
The Indians.
Correct. And French. What is the meaning of the verb emprunter? Ardennes.
To borrow.
Correct. Literature. Which female writer co-edited the collection A World of Poetry for CXC? Ardennes.
Hazel Simmons McDonald.
Pardon?
Hazel Simmons McDonald.
Correct. Art. Who painted Giovanni Arnolfini and his wife? Ardennes.
John Van Eyck.
Correct. Bible knowledge. And that's the bell.
When I add 50 to a number x, the result is 3 times the original number. What is the number? Monroe?
25.
25.
Is correct. Physics. A wooden cube of side 1.5 meters and specific gravity 0.8 floats in a container of pure water. What is the height of that portion of the cube which is above water? .3 meters. Sports, a visual question. Look at the monitor and identify this person. St. Hughes.
Circle.
Sugar Ray Leonard.
No, Lennox Miller, former Jamaican Olympian. Jamaican heritage. The Cinnamon Hill Great House was built in 1734 by Edward Barrett, an ancestor of Elizabeth Barrett Browning, but later became the home of which American singer? The answer is Johnny Cash. History. Specifically, what was the name of the ruler of Ethiopia who defeated the Italians? Manning School.
Haile Selassie the First.
Haile Selassie the First.
No. When they invaded Ethiopia in 1896, Menelik II. Mathematics. A length, originally 6 centimeters, is increased so that the ratio of the new length to the old length is 9 to 2. What is the new length? Ditchfield.
3 times 9.
27 centimeters.
Correct. Physics. If light takes 500 seconds to travel from the sun to the earth and light travels at 300,000 kilometers per second, calculate the distance between the sun and the earth. $150 million kilometers. Sports, a visual question, teams. Look at the monitor and identify this person, please. Richard Shrimpy Clark, former Jamaican boxer, Jamaican heritage. Complete the Jamaican proverb. When man... Ditchfield.
No call him dopey.
No, when man belly full in Brock pot. Literature. Which American poet wrote the 2000 and we won't have time for that one. History. Which sea captain was the first Englishman to sail around the world? Sir Francis Drake. Mathematics. When I add 3 to 2/3 of a number, the answer is the same as when I subtract 2 from 7/8 of it. What is the number? It's 24. Physics. A wind turbine has an average power output of 2.50 megawatts. A coal-fired power station has a continuous power output of 1,500 megawatts. Calculate how many wind turbines would be needed to generate the same power output as one coal-fired power station. .600 wind turbines. Sports, a visual question, teams. Look at the monitor and identify this person. Dennis Johnson, former Jamaican sprinter and world record holder, Jamaican heritage. Breadfruit was introduced to Jamaica by Captain William. De Carteret College.
England.
No, Captain William Blythe. From the original seedling produced on his 6-month stopover in which Polynesian island, and it was Tahiti. Given that P equals D minus RT, find P when D equals 3, R equals minus 8, and T equals 2. San Diego.
So this is minus 29.
No, it's 19. Physics. A lamp is connected to a 24 volts power supply. The current through the lamp is 1.5 amps. What is the power? Cornwall College.
36 watts.
36 watts.
Is correct. Power of the lamp. Sports, a visual question. Look at the monitor, please, teams, and identify this person.
You know, please, please.
That's Nick Kyrgios, professional lawn tennis player, Jamaican heritage. In which parish was Fort William? St. Jago.
St. Thomas.
Correct, which had a platform of 5 guns to defend its harbor. Literature. In the book Crack Monkey, what was the name of the main St. Jago?
T.
Correct, main character. And with that bell, it's the end of the final challenge and the end of the match.
Mathematics. Charlie bought a toy car for $30. He sold it, making a gain of 30% on the cost. By how many dollars did the price, Campion?
$9.
Yes. Price of the toy car increase. Physics. What is the name given to the heat energy required to change 1 kilogram? Clarendon College?
Specific heat capacity.
No. Specific latent heat of fusion. Change 1 kilogram of a solid to liquid without a change in the temperature. Sports. Look at the monitor. Identify this person. Campion.
Marvin Hagler.
No. Marvin Hagler. Jamaican heritage. Did you say Hagler or Haglo? Hagler. Okay. That's correct. Jamaican heritage. In which town would you find the Invercalled Great House? Clarendon College?
Black River.
Correct. French. Translate to the following sentence to English. Je me lave les mains. I'm washing my hands, or I wash my hands. Literature. Which French? And that's the final bell.
Folks, this is a special 1-hour access episode, so you know we have a lot more to come.
Stick and stay. School Challenge Quiz Access will be right back.